Good morning, students, and welcome back. You might have seen construction of a building. Building is made up of many bricks, and each brick represents the unit of a house. In the same way, living beings are made up of numerous biological units. These units are very small and cannot be seen with naked eye. But this small thing has such a big impact in our life that it makes our life and hence our existence possible. The cell. So today we are going to start our next chapter, cell. The word cell is derived from Latin word cellula, which means small room. Cell not only carry out all the life processes like digestion and respiration, it is also responsible for providing structure to our body. So cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell is also a basic unit of biological hierarchy which includes cell, tissue, organ system, organism. Discovery of cell. Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered the first simple microscope in which he used only one lens for magnification. Robert Hooke, 1665, observed small thin pieces of cork under a microscope. He saw very tiny, hollow, room-like structures which resembled cells. He was the first person who discovered and coined the term cell. He also modified simple microscope and developed the compound microscope. In 1831, Robert Brown discovered cell nucleus, and in 1839, Purkinje coined the term protoplasm for the fluid present in the cell. The biology of living thing is described through cell theory. Three scientists named Matthias Jakob Schleiden, Theodor Schwann, and Rudolf Karl Virchow formulated cell theory, which states: Number 1. All living organisms are made up of cells. 2. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit in all living organisms. 3. New cells arise from pre-existing cells. On the basis of cellular structure, organisms are of two types: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. 1. Unicellular organisms. They are made up of single cell, so they are also called single-celled organisms. They are very small and can be observed only under microscope. They carry out their life process through a single cell only. Examples are amoeba and paramecium. 2. Multicellular organisms. These organisms are made up of more than one cell. In these organisms, different cells perform different activities in a coordinated manner. Examples are plants and animals. Cell shapes. Cells have different shapes because they perform different functions. They may or may not be very big, but their shapes vary from each other. Some of the shapes are oval, chlamydomonas, cylindrical, spirogyra, irregular amoeba, spindle-shaped, smooth muscle cells, slipper-shaped paramecium, and biconcave red blood cells. Students, red blood cells are biconcave in shape. However, the shape changes from biconcave to spherical in a disease called hemolytic anemia. So today we have learned discovery of cells, cell theory, cells and their number, and cell shapes. I hope you have understood and enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you and stay safe.